how to create a jewelry and watches e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, you just go with login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. Then you click on next and you give it a few seconds to load to proceed to type in your password. And after typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So I'm going to give it shopping and then click on continue. Then you have this question and 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you most. So I'm going with this one, and then you do the same also with this question. Then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So I'm in the jewelry and watches category, so I'm going with jewelry and accessories. And if you can't find your category in here, you just go with other and then you click on continue. And if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address. If not, you just skip this step and you give them a few seconds to build your store. And this is the dashboard of our store, as you can see. And here we have the edit site button and the design now button, and they do the same job, which is taking us to the editing phase. And here in your left we have, I think, 9 sections or 8, and I'm going to explain each section for you. Then I'm going to proceed to the editing phase. So let's start with the website section, and it's where you can also access the editing phase, or you can change your domains, set a new domain name, or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, and it's where you can set up your site items, which means the site's products. You can set new products or create new products or change the ones that you already have. And if you want to categorize them, you have the site's categories. If you want to create categories for your products, then you have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. Then you have the orders section, and it's where you can check all of your orders and see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, and so on. Then you have the fulfillment section. It's where you can set up your pickup settings and your shipping settings. Then you have the reports, and it's where you can check your site's traffic, site's activity, sources, online sales, site's items, and abandoned carts and coupons. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you can just click on summary to do that. Then we have the marketing section, and it's basically where you have everything that is related to growing your audience, from email to automated ads, mailing lists, segments to setup. And also, if you want to see the summary of all these sections, you can just click on summary and you can do that. Then we have the communications section. It's where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. Then we have settings, and it's where you have the general settings, where you can set up your company name, your phone number, your address, your email, and so on. So just give it a few seconds to load to show you where you can do that. So just be patient with the website, guys. It takes a little bit of time to load. And here where you can set your company name, your address, and your email and your phone number. Then you have the checkout, and it's where you can set up your payment processors like your Stripe account or your PayPal account, or if you want to change the country and the currency of your store. Then you have the sales taxes and the units, where you can change the language or you can edit the units that you have. So that's it for these sections. Let's go back to the overview to proceed to the editing phase. So just click on edit site button and give it a few seconds to load and to build your store. So, as you can see, just a second while we build your site. So as I said before, you will need to be patient with the platform. It takes a little bit of time to load. It's still not loaded yet. And here the first thing we will need to do is choosing a style for our store. But let's wait until it's fully loaded to choose our style. And here it's all loaded, as you can see. Then let's choose one of these styles. So I think I'm going to choose the first one, which seems pretty simple. Then you click on hide styles and you check if that style fits your store and meets your requirements. Then you click on apply site styles and you proceed to the site's design, where you have also the site styles if you want to change that again, and if you want to add an image to be your logo, change colors, fonts. So I'm going to change this font from Inter to Comforta, and here it is, Comforta. And if you want to play with these adjustments and base font size and scale and so on, if you want to play with these ones until you find or you meet your requirements, you can do that. And when you're done, you click on done. Then let's change the shape of the buttons from pill to rounded, and for images from sharp to rounded. Then you click on done, and by scrolling down you can change the site's elements also, but before that you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid one to do that. So let's click on done. We're done with the site's design, and let's close this one and dismiss all. Again, dismiss all. And here, as you can see, if you want to change the sections you have from the header, the main banner, featured items, email newsletter, footer branding, if you want to change these ones or hide one of them or change the placement of one of them, you can do that in here. So that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. I hope I achieved that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.